What can we call it? It is raining cats and dogs. Yes, it is raining.
You know, today
Mhm.
was raining cat and dogs.
Very good. And do you believe in Santa Claus also?
I think I don't believe at Santa Claus because when it's Christmas, we already have a Christmas tree, but when we never get surprises. Yeah.
Okay. Good. It is very good. If it is about yesterday, it was raining cats and dogs. If it is about today, it is raining cats and dogs.
It
Okay.
is raining cat and dogs.
Very good.
Like then he scratch me, but it just a little scratch. It didn't hurt. It
Oh my
just
God.
gonna scratch me. It just touch a little bit. Then I
Oh
feel
my
something
God.
with the side of my hand. Okay.
Oh my God.
Then I get off. Then I run away. Then another, I am scared of monkey. One time,
Me too.
then everywhere monkey, like even around me. Then I run. One monkey even bite me, but it just gonna scratch in my that
Mhm.
hand, which kitten scratch me.
Oh God.
The same place, at the
Oh,
same place.
because they also have mood swings. Sometimes they are happy, sometimes they are sad.
When?
Yeah.
How many kitten will you get me? No, it take 1 or 2 hours.
1 or 2 hours. Till then you cannot touch it.
No, I can, but I touch it like a teeny bit.
Hmm?
It was in the balcony and the gate was open.
Oh
Then
my
he
God.
said, then he
Okay.
went inside. Then in the kitchen. Then he said nothing to it. Let's go out. And he jumped.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Then we make the monkey run away. One time, monkey cut and broke a egg 2 times.
Oh my God.
Came in our kitchen. Then it broke 2 eggs.
Oh my God. So naughty. Have
A
you
big
ever
one.
a big one? Oh my God. Have you ever seen the baby monkeys, Sudiksha?
Yes, I do.
They are cute, but right?
But even they are dangerous.
Yes, that's right. That's right. That's correct. Okay, tell me.
Their mom always carry them baby with them.
Yes, that's right. On their
Not
back.
them baby.
Yes, like this. Sometimes they even carry on their back, to carry the monkeys,
And
baby monkey.
sometimes even here
Even
in the
here,
body.
that's right. That's right.
Elephant can drink water from their tongue
Yes, that's right. They use it as straw.
like a straw. But where does it go? I don't know. From the nose, where does it go?
It's magic. You know that? It's really magic. It goes from their nose to their mouth.
The trunk of the elephant. Then I hold the trunk of the elephant and see.
Oh, wow. Was it friendly?
Yeah, it likes me away. Then when I hold it, then like so cute.
Wow. So tell me one thing. Do mermaids exist, Sudiksha? What do you think?
No,
No. Okay.
they don't exist. They don't exist.
They don't exist. Okay. That's correct. That's right. Do you believe in fairies?
Yes, my tooth broke. Then I put on my pillow. Then I sleep. Then I woke up. Then I check under my. It's not a tooth. It's a coin.
Wow, you got a coin from the tooth fairy. That's beautiful. What did you do with the coin? Did you buy chocolates or give it to mommy?
I, I kept. That was my pocket money.
Oh, wow. That's great. Good
I
to
have
hear.
$2. I have $2.08.
$2.08. That's wonderful. And do you believe in Santa Claus also?
I think I don't believe at Santa Claus because when it's Christmas, we already have a Christmas tree, but when we never get surprises. Yeah.
Okay. I see. I see. Okay. All
Do
right.
you get gifts?
Actually, when I was small, I always used to sleep quite early. One night before Christmas, and I used to wish that I want a tiffin box and pen like that. Okay. So the next day, when I used to wake up early in the morning, sometimes I used to see a tiffin box wrapped in gift paper. Sometimes there was no gift. So I don't know whether I should believe in Santa Claus or not. You tell me, should I believe in Santa Claus?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Then I'll believe in Santa Claus if Sudiksha says.
My Santa Claus is my daddy.
Wow, that's great. Does he know that you call him your Santa Claus?
No, I just call her my dad, but
Okay, what kind of gifts do you like?
I like a mermaid.
Hmm.
I like a mermaid pens, mermaid. I like everything for mermaid. My favorite character is mermaid now.
Mermaid. Do you know there is one Disney princess? She's also a mermaid. Do you know her real name? Real name of the Disney cartoon princess?
No,
Her
no.
name is Ariel.
Yeah.
Yes, that is her real name. She has red
Never
long hair.
heard this. Mom, can you get my drawing?
Mhm. I am going to look at Sadiksha's drawing. I think, let me guess what kind of drawing it is. You gave red long hair for the mermaid, blue color maybe dress she was wearing, blue, right? Let me see.
Yes,
Hmm.
don't. It's like that.
I knew it. See, I was telling you blue dress. Yeah, her name is Ariel. That is her real name. Do you know, Sadiksha? Oh, it's so
Can you
pretty.
keep it dried? More dried.
Okay, that's okay. How long does it take for the painting to dry, Sadiksha?
It take 1 or 2 hours.
1 or 2 hours. Till then, you cannot touch it?
No, I can, but I touch it like a teeny bit.
Hmm.
Okay,
You know,
it's not right.
Sadiksha, what do we call it when a painting is not good after we touch it? It is called spoiled. Okay? If you touch
Spoiled,
it, it becomes spoiled. What will we call it?
spoiled,
Very
spoiled,
good. Spoiled. Okay? Yes.
spoiled.
Very good. Yes. Today I will teach one more word to Sadiksha. Do you want to learn?
Yes, I
Okay.
do want to learn.
Okay, that's such a good girl. Do you know when it is raining very heavily? For example, here it is raining very heavily today. Do you know? So what can we call it? It is raining cats and dogs. Yes, it is raining.
You know, today
Mhm.
it was raining cat and dogs.
Very good. It is very good. If it is about yesterday, it was raining cats and dogs. If it is about today, it is raining cats and dogs.
It
Okay,
is raining cat and dogs.
very good. Has the rain stopped there,
Unique
Sadiksha?
name. Unique name. Unique name. Cat and dog. My favorite. First,
Yes.
first, my favorite pet is cat. Hmm,
Wow,
sorry.
cat is your favorite pet. I also love cats. They
Not
are so
cat.
cute.
I don't like cat. I love kittens.
Kittens. Oh, the baby cats. Yes, they are very adorable and they're very mischievous also. Do you know what is the meaning of mischievous?
No teacher.
Naughty. Naughty. They are very naughty. Do you know that? They are running from here and there. They are throwing bottles, throwing things, but they are cute.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, Sudiksha, when I was small, I had a small puppy, okay, as a pet, and I kept his name as Snowball because he was so white and furry. He was so cute. I love puppies very much. Do you find them cute?
Yeah, but I never touched the dog. It
Oh,
might bite me, and
ah, I got it. I got it. It might bite you and you might get seriously hurt, right, Sudiksha?
no.
Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it is dangerous. Sometimes dogs bite very badly. So if we do not know the dog, we should stay away from it. Right, Sudiksha?
You know, I'm scared of cat, but I still touch her because she get an injection.
Okay, for that reason. All right, that's great. So,
But
Sudiksha,
when I take my pet, I'll just give her. When I just come to my dad surprised me, just put it. My dad surprised me 2 cats. Then I say, let's go to the hospital. Like in 1 second. 1 second.
then only you will play with the cats.
When
Very,
I don't get an injection, I will never touch the kittens.
yeah, that's good. It is good to be
Hands back.
careful.
Hands back. No, when what and when is the kitten here?
Mm-hmm.
Next to the Kalin, then I will not touch it. Hands back or hands up.
Yes, actually, you know, Sudiksha, it is very important to be careful around them. And yes, definitely. Sometimes they might also get irritated because they also have mood swings, you know? Like sometimes they are happy, sometimes they are sad.
When
Yeah.
mom, how many kitten will you take me? Get me.
Okay, now Sudiksha is requesting her mom, Mama, give me
Mom,
ticket.
my mom told me how many kitten. First I asked her, how many kitten will you take? My mom said, no, two.
Oh, that's so good. So very soon, I think Sudiksha is going to have a kitten. By the way, do you know, Sudiksha, it is also important to take care of them. How will you take care of the kittens? Okay.
I will make her shower when he's sleeping. Then I will brush. I will open her mouth and brush it. Done.
Fuck.
When a kitten bite me, that who loves me. When I was going to do this, It would go under her hand like that, then he scratch me, but it just a little scratch, it didn't hurt.
Oh
It
my
just
God.
gonna scratch me, it just touch a little bit, then I say I
Oh
feel
my
something
God.
in the side of my hand. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Then I get off, then I run away. Then another, I am scared of monkeys. One time,
Me too.
there everywhere monkey, like even around me. Then I run. One monkey even bite me, but it just gonna scratch in my that
Mhm.
hand, which kitten scratch me.
Oh God.
The same place, at the
Oh,
same place.
I am also scared of monkeys. Do you know, one time when I went to the zoo, it snatched a packet of oranges which my mom was holding. It took it away. Took away the bags of oranges and it was showing its teeth like this to us. It was teasing us. The monkey. It is very naughty, you know that?
One time even we feed to the monkey, but when we feed them and it go inside my friend house. It was just going, it was in the balcony and the gate was open.
Oh
Then
my
he
God.
said,
Oh
then he
God.
went inside, then in the kitchen, then he said nothing to it, let's go out. And he jumped.
Oh my God. Yeah, sometimes with
Then
monkeys.
there was even only there are lots
Oh,
of security
oh,
guard.
security guards. Okay. Still, the monkeys can enter the houses.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Then we make the monkey run away. One time, monkey come and broke a egg. Two times
Oh my God.
came in our kitchen. Then it broke two eggs,
Oh my God. So naughty.
a
Have you
big
ever
one.
a big one? Oh my God. Have you ever seen the baby monkeys, Sudiksha?
Yes, I do.
They are cute, but right?
But even they are dangerous.
Yes, that's right. That's right. That's correct. Okay, tell me one thing, Sudiksha. Yeah, you want to say
Mom,
something? Hmm.
their mom always carry them baby with them.
Yes, that's right. On their
Not
back.
them big.
Yes, like this. Sometimes they even carry on their back, they carry the monkeys, baby monkey.
Sometimes even here
Even
in the
here,
body.
that's right. That's right, correct. Do you know our ancestors were monkeys and chimpanzees? Do you know that?
Yeah, when I go to the zoo, I see two chimpanzee with a big place. They were fighting together. It's a boxing match.
Boxing match. I see. That's really dangerous. My God. I escaped. I'm scared of animals. Do you know that? I'm scared of monkey, dogs, cats, but puppies I like.
You know, I take picture and feed elephants.
Elephants, did you feed them?
Yes, I feed them. I even took picture with them. First, the trunk of the elephant. Then I hold the trunk of the elephant and see.
Oh, wow. Was it friendly?
Yeah, it likes me away. Then when I hold it, then like so cute.
Wow,
Like
that big.
like this. When
Like
I
this.
hold it, then
Mhm.
I like that two times. But it didn't bite me. It didn't bite me.
Didn't bite you. I see. Then I think it was a good elephant, right, Sutiksha?
One is need food, but we can't find any food nearby. We are
Oh,
so far from the elephant because he don't have something to eat.
oh no.
Mm,
So what did you give to the elephant for eating? Bananas?
We even don't have bananas. We just
Okay.
give the coconut.
Coconut. They love coconuts also. Do you know that? They love coconuts very much.
The when she it can't break, so then we give to elephant. But it was
Mhm.
so hard, coconut, so hard, like wall.
Oh, I see. Yeah, coconuts are very hard. Yes.
Elephant can eat it. How? I don't know.
Because they have
The
very sharp teeth. Do you know that? Elephants have very sharp teeth. You cannot see their teeth because it is covered with their mouth, but they can break even a very hard stone with their teeth. Elephants.
is
Yes, they are dangerous, don't you? And do you know one thing? Their trunk, okay, they use it as the third hand. In order to, whatever food you give, they will catch it with the help of their trunk and then they will put it inside their mouth.
uh, you know elephant can drink water from their trunk
Yes, that's right. They use it as straw.
like a straw. But where does it go? I don't know. From the nose, where does it go?
It's magic. You know that? It's really magic. It goes from their
But
nose to their mouth.
like
Yes, because
mouth.
their nose and this part is connected little bit. So when they are drinking the water, they cannot drink it with their mouth, right? So they just use the trunk as the straw and the water goes inside them like this and like this. It goes inside their stomach.
Ganesha.
Ganesha, yes. That's right. That's correct.
Wait. What is your favorite thing to eat beside paneer?
I love pizza very much.
You take my choice.
Oh, you like pizza?
I love pizza the most. Paneer pizza.
So
I love
Diksha
it
is
too much.
so Diksha is
Yes.
like, I want pizza. I want also kitten today.
Not today. Not today.
Not today. Very good, good girl. For that, you have to discuss with your mama also because you know what will happen sometimes when you are in your school and if your mama is also busy, if your father is also busy, who will take care of the cat? Right? Yes. So you have to discuss with your mama. Okay, Sudiksha? Oh, that's so cool. But I will always say one thing, Sudiksha. Whenever I'm talking with you, I always feel that Sudiksha is a very good girl. She's a big girl also. Because the way Sudiksha talks,
Small.
she speaks.
I'm small.
Oh, she's a small girl. Okay, sorry. Sudiksha is a small girl. Okay.
You forget I'm just 6 year old.
Oh, yes. How can I forget? Sudiksha is just 6 years old. My bad, my bad. Do you know, Sudiksha, one last thing I will teach to you. Whenever someone says, oh no, Sudiksha, you did this mistake. What will you say? Sorry, my bad. What will you say?
Sorry, my bad. My bad.
Very good, good girl. So, did you enjoy today's class?
Yes, I do.
Very good.
Yes, I